When a victim is submerged, your objective is to quickly and effectively contact the victim and bring them to the surface, supporting them on the rescue tube and maintaining an open airway while you quickly move to the exit point. If the victim is below the surface and beyond your reach, you will need to use a feet-first surface dive or a head-first surface dive to access the victim. To do a feet-first surface dive, position your body vertically in the water. Press both hands down at your sides and kick strongly to raise your body out of the water. Take a breath and allow your body to descend. When you are completely underwater, sweep your arms overhead to propel yourself down. Repeat this sweeping motion until you reach the desired depth. As you descend, keep your legs straight and together, with your toes pointed. Tuck your chin and look toward the bottom, and exhale gently. To descend to a moderate depth, you may only need to sweep your arms once. To do a head-first surface dive, build your momentum with a swimming stroke. Take a breath. Sweep your arms backward to your thighs.